In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get all of the newest emojis on your iPhone device. Okay guys, so let's just dive straight into the video. Now, if you're looking to get the most recent emojis on your iPhone, it's very simple and all you have to do is go and update your iPhone device. Now, you can use third-party apps to get emojis, but in many cases, those emojis actually won't be the newest ones and the most up-to-date. So what you actually have to do is update your entire iOS device. So you can do this by going into Settings. Now, once here, you can go to General, and then you can go to Software Update. Now, if there's any new software updates, you can then just go and press on Update, and this will then go and update your iPhone device. And you also will not lose any photos, apps, or contacts. Everything will be as it was. But what you'll do is get the new emojis if there's any new ones out there. And you can also set your phone to automatically update. So whenever there is a new kind of iOS version, your iPhone will automatically update, and then you'll also get all of the new emojis as well. So that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very quick and simple way on how to get new emojis on your iPhone device. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.